Guys, ngayong pandemic, lahat nag-online school, lahat bumibili ng computer, laptop, tablets, or even cellphone. Pero ito guys, for the fraction of a price of a laptop, pwede nyo nang gamitin sa online class, lalong-lalo na ngayon. Ito ang Teclast P10HD. 10-inch na to guys, at 1080p display. Actually, 1920 by 1200. So more than 1080p siya. Very clear yung screen niya. 10-inch guys. Nandun na siya sa laptop category ng screen. May mas malaki pa rito. I think nasa 13-inch or 12. Pero ito, I think this fits kasi hindi sa akin to. Sa pamangkin ko ginagamit niya sa online class for Zoom. Kasi meron siyang camera in front and at the back. Though hindi ganun kalinaw, but still capable. So, yun. Ito yung box niya. Wala naman masyadong laman, no? Very simple box from Teclast. Here and there. Wala masyadong nakasulat. At ang laman lang niya is yung charger na ito. Very simple packaging lang, guys. The cable itself and the charging port. Yan. Straight na tayo sa Teclast. Guys, 6,500 for this machine. Naka 1080p na. Domit 3 gigs of RAM lang siya at 32 gigs of internal storage, pero expandable siya, microSD. Guys, pwede rin to gawing cellphone kasi meron din siyang SIM card slot. So yun, may SIM card slot na, meron pang SD card slot. Guys, meron din siyang 6,000 mAh battery. So, kayang-kaya niya tumagal ng whole day without charging for normal use. Pero kung naglalaro kayo, syempre madidrain ka to kasi nga 10-inch siya, tapos naka over 1080p HD pa yung screen niya. So far, initial impression ko, maganda siya kasi naka stock Android yung yung system launcher niya. So very smooth, walang bloatware, very basic, very smooth, wala masyadong learning curve using this one. Kahit mga kids, may enjoy nila. So, the blacks are deep. Nakapag speed test ako, dual band siya. Pwede siya magkaroon ng 5 GHz ng Wi-Fi band. So, yun pa guys. Kung bibili rin kayo ng ganitong device, no, I would advise na bilhin nyo rin yung casing. Kasi may option sa Lazada. I will link down below if you're interested. Sa casing, na pag bumili ka, merong option na may kasamang casing, and I would advise to go with the casing kasi baka mahirapan kayo bumili ng casing. Kung ito lang yung bibilin yung product itself, kailangan samahan nyo na ng casing para hindi na kayo ma-hassle bumili sa labas ng casing for this one. Very affordable. For 6.5 guys, may 10-inch ka na, may 1080p, tas pwede pa siya gawing cellphone, Zoom, kayo kung ano yung nagagawa ng laptop. Actually, pwede rin siyang bumili ng external keyboard. You can use this as a laptop on its own. So, you're saving tens of thousand pesos by just buying this tablet and using it for class or for gaming also. I-check naman natin ngayon yung audio niya, no? Kasi yun yung weakness nitong device na to is yung speaker. Hindi siya ganun kalakas, hindi rin siya ganun kaganda. Ito nga, hindi ako impressed sa kanya, so pakinggan nyo na lang. Yun yung downside niya guys. So hindi ko ma-recommend this na gamitin yung speaker niya. Mag-headset na lang kayo. Meron din siyang headphone jack port. Saan na ba? Dito, sa upper right corner niya. At meron siyang volume rockers at meron power button. Very basic. At ng charger niya, ang weird na sa ibabaw. Yun din. So guys, if you're looking for a laptop or considering buying a laptop, you can consider this tablet as well because it has bigger screen. It has most of the naman kasi is online class ngayon. Very basic lang naman ang kailangan nila. Zoom or Skype. Kung yun lang naman yung kailangan nyo or gaming, online gaming, yan, pwede na to for a fraction of a price. 6.5, minsan bumababa pa siya as low as 5,900 pag nagsisale si Teclast. Yun, very affordable, very capable, HD graphics, HD screen, glass yung harap niya, very good build quality, stock Android, yun yung mga strength niya. Though downside is yung speaker, sabi ko nga, I would highly recommend this guys, kasi pwede na siya maging cellphone, expandable storage, at meron siyang basic 10 watts na charger, at may 6,000 milliamp power battery. Guys, sa halagang 6,500, walang tatalo dyan na tablet. Sa ganitong specs na 1080p, kahit si Xiaomi Mi Pad 4, guys, nasa 11,000-12,000 yun. Ito 6,500 with a bigger screen and with 1080p HD display. Yun nga guys, this concludes my review about this tablet. If ever may questions kayo, feel free to comment down below. I'll be happy to answer all of it. And if ever hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe and like this video. That's about it guys, and I'll see you on my next one.